loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be finishing off the favorites video for my deep conditioning routine. Mid-video, as you guys saw, if you guys did watch it, if you haven't, go check it. So mid-video, as you guys saw, if you guys didn't see it yet, go back and watch that video because it's good. But mid-video, I realized that a lot of low porosity curlies cannot use protein, so I decided to make a protein-free option and a protein option for deep conditioners. So I'm gonna share a few of my faves. I don't wanna make this list super duper long, but these are a few of my absolute faves that I can't live without. So these are the ones that I typically reach for when I'm looking for a protein-based deep conditioner. This is in no particular order, so we're just gonna get right into it. So the first one I'm gonna mention is, of course, from Miche. It's the Strengthening Protein Moisture Balance Deep Conditioner. So the cool thing about this mask is that it gives you the benefits of the Indulge Deep Conditioner, but with the strengthening aspect as well. So I really like it. This one is just as hydrating on the hair as the Indulge one is. I don't feel like there's much of a difference. Had I not read the label that says that it contains protein, I wouldn't even know that there's protein. That's how softening and moisturizing it is to the hair. If you guys are looking for a gentle moisture protein mask, this is definitely a good one because you don't feel the harsh hardness that sometimes you feel when you use a protein mask. This is actually very soft, and when you rinse it out, your hair still feels just as soft. So definitely check out Miche to grab your protein mask. It's really good, so check it out, and they all smell amazing, so check it out. And the next mask I'm gonna mention is the Bread Beauty hair mask. I did a whole video on the Bread Beauty collection, but I'm gonna be doing a whole nother one very soon because I'm gonna be testing out all of their products. So this hair mask, first of all, can we talk about the scent? I gotta smell it again. It literally smells like a creamsicle. It smells so good. Your hair is gonna smell literally like ice cream. It is just so delectable. You're gonna wanna eat it. Don't eat it, but it just smells so good. So it is very moisturizing. It's a very lightweight mask, but it holds a lot of moisture. It leaves your curls very defined upon rinsing, and it contains a lot of slip. So this is one of those masks that you can rake your fingers through your hair while you're applying the mask to your hair. I am such a fan of this packaging because it's very travel friendly. And just being that it's in a little pouch, it doesn't really take that much space in your luggage, which I really like. And when you use some, it flattens out a lot better. So it's like literally like so tiny. It fits anywhere. I brought this with me on my recent vacation to Puerto Rico and I really love it. It's just so convenient. So whoever came up with this packaging is a genius because I love that. And the next mask I'm gonna mention is the Curls Blueberry Bliss hair mask. This is their reparative hair mask. I love me some Blueberry Bliss. Like, I remember, this just brings me back to the days where we started our natural hair journey. I want to say like 2-3 years ago, 4 years ago. I remember seeing this on the shelf, and believe it or not, I didn't actually try this mask till about last year, which to me is actually kind of bizarre because being someone who's been in the natural hair space for so long, the fact that I haven't tried this mask, being that I've tried everything else. I tried the shampoo, well, it's the hair wash. I tried the jelly, I tried the oil, like I tried everything, but I didn't try this till I actually ended up working with them. And I remember when I tried it, I was like, damn, why did I wait so long to try it? If you're looking for a strengthening mask, this is amazing. I love the definition that my curls have when I rinse this out. And it's very, very hydrating, very moisturizing. I know it sounds very repetitive when it comes to talking about hair masks because they all do similar things. This is more on the thicker side, so a little goes a long way with this. And yeah, my curls just eat this up. I love it. I love this mask. And another mask that I love that contains protein is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Now, this is not particularly a strengthening mask, but it does contain protein and does really, really hydrate your hair. I believe this is probably my top 3 collections from Shea Moisture. Aside from the Coconut and Hibiscus collection, this whole line is just so moisturizing on my hair. My hair loves everything about it because first of all, it contains Manuka honey, so you guys already know how my hair reacts to that. I love it. So it isn't specifically a strengthening mask, but it does contain protein, so it does add that little bit of strengthening to it. If you are a Shea Moisture fan, I know that they do have a ton of products, so it's a little hard to navigate through which ones to try, but the Manuka honey and Mafura oil collection is bomb. The shampoo, the conditioner, this, I love it, so check it out. And the last but not least is the Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint hair mask. This is their strengthening hair mask. This is my favorite collection from Mielle Organics. I've shared this with you guys multiple times. That rosemary and mint collection is everything. What I love about this mask is the tingling feel that you'll feel on your scalp. It's very stimulating on the scalp. So not only is it strengthening your hair, it's also adding that stimulating factor for your scalp when it comes to hair growth. Cool thing is it's also infused with biotin, so it does encourage hair growth. This is just a powerhouse mask. It'll give you the moisture, it'll give you the strengthening, it'll give you the stimulating feel. I love it. So I saved it for last because it's actually one of my favorite masks. Whenever Mielle Organics does their $6 sale, I always stock up and I buy like 5, 6, 7 of them, no joke, because they're just easy. They're quick, they're easy, and when you steam this into your hair, amazing. You guys have seen me use their leave-in. I used it with the Wetline Extreme Gel, and that was probably one of the best wash and goes I've had in a very long time. I mean, since then I've tried tons of other stylers that have left me with bomb results, but I remember when I first tried that, I was shook. I was literally shook. I was like, there's no way that these two products gave me those results. I mean, the product that was from Mielle Organics is actually a cream gel. So then I paired a cream gel with a gel and it just worked amazing. So definitely check out the Rosemary Mint collection from Mielle Organics. That's pretty much the only collection I ever brag about because it's so good. So check them out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. But yeah, guys, that's all for today's protein hair mask video. I hope you guys liked it. I know it's not a ton of hair masks, but I feel like these are just like my staple hair masks when it comes to me looking for a strengthening mask. Go ahead and comment down below what your favorite protein masks are so we could start a little chat down there and we can see and compare which ones are our faves. All the products that I mentioned in today's video will be listed in the description box, so check that out. But again, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.